Have you seen the viral $400 Shark Facial Pro Glow all over TikTok? The one everyone claims gives you that fresh glass skin hydrofacial look from home? Yeah, it's made by the same company that builds vacuums. On paper, it sounds like the future of skincare. Suction-based exfoliation, hydration infusion, and a glow that influencers swear rivals professional spa treatments. But once you look past the glossy marketing, the numbers start to sting. The device itself costs $400, but the real expense hides in the refills, the derm detox and hydro-infused solutions that power the whole system. They're proprietary, meaning you can't use your regular skincare serums or toners. Over a year, those refills add up to nearly $480, more than the machine itself. So while it might seem like a one-time investment, you're actually signing up for a subscription-style expense that quietly turns into a $900 a year skincare commitment. Sure, it does deliver results. Smoother texture, fewer blackheads, and that temporary post-treatment glow. But the effect fades fast unless you keep using it and paying for it. Real users report that while it works decently, maintenance can be annoying. The seals wear out. Cleaning is tricky, and replacement parts aren't cheap. Even the so-called savings the brand advertises only start showing after 2 years of consistent use, assuming nothing breaks and you keep rebuying their refills. In the end, the Shark Facial Pro Glow isn't a scam, but it's definitely not the miracle gadget TikTok makes it out to be. It's a decent at-home facial device with hidden ongoing costs that make you think twice before hitting checkout. If you still want to see current pricing or buy it yourself, the product link is tagged right below this video.